start thinking about constructing a house?
Maybe around two years back, yeah.
And what was the initial idea?
Yeah, that was her idea. Maybe she can.
Yeah, like we just wanted a house, like a spacious one. Though it is a small site, I wanted it to be very spacious and where we can relax, more creative.
Can you tell us a little bit about the site and the requirements?
The site was
It was a corner
40.
site around 25 by 40 feet. So we thought kind of a duplex house, so that with some kind of a garage around. So yeah, we are living in an old house, so we wanted kind of a conservative kind of a architecture. So that's how we started looking for it. Yeah.
And how did you come to know about this?
Yeah, since our hometown is in Hospet, so I came to know that Chetan sir is located in Hospet. That's how we connected it with Chetan sir.
And how do you like the house? It's lighting, thermal comfort,
Yeah,
space,
no.
space size design.
Yeah, it's very good. I think it was beyond our expectations. Yeah, we didn't think that it will be so good, but yeah,
Yeah, outcome was really very nice.
very good. Yeah.
This is his favorite question. Which is the spot you like the most in the house? And
So, I think the living room.
Living room.
Generally,
The skylight.
skylight, living room. Yeah, sometimes in the evening we get the moonlight and all, so it's really refreshing, relaxing.
How do you recommend this to your friends or anyone who's planning to build a house? How do you recommend or why would you say they need an architect to design a house?
No, I think initially when she said wanted to construct house, I thought we just hire a contractor and start our own way of doing it, right? What is there? Just a hall and 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
That's how we thought. But later on, we were not aware of this architect concept. I think she was very keen to go with the architect. They give us a better thing and all. But somehow I was not aware of it. But later on, she proved right. So we definitely recommend anybody constructing house. I have been telling all my friends, go to an architect. So they will, they give you the right flavor and according to your taste. So that's the opinion. That's the suggestion I want to give to anyone who wants to construct a house.
And in terms of budget, there is an estimated budget. What was the cost?
Regarding that budget, whatever it was budgeted initial, whatever the architects gave us, it was, the final thing came out to be almost near to it. It never exceeded. But our whatever we were expecting, it was more than that regarding the work. That way, it was good. Yeah, I think budget-wise, it was not a constraint. Nowhere it came up that okay, this budget it will overshoot the budget. This will cost more. In certain cases, they brought in within the budget, even though the work was more. So that way, it was good.
So, what was your guests' opinion? What's the one beautiful thing what they told about your house?
Yeah. One guest, he said, like, because of my God, the house has come out very beautiful. I like that comment.